Hello students, welcome back to Board classes. Today we are going to learn about defects of vision and how to correct them, especially myopia, hypermetropia and presbyopia. Let's begin. So first is myopia, also known as nearsightedness. Myopia is a defect where a person can see nearby objects clearly but distant objects appear blurred. As you can see here, in normal eye, the image of the object is focusing on the retina. But in the myopic eye, the image of the object is focusing in front of the retina instead of on the retina. So why does this happen? It happens because the eyeball becomes too long or the lens becomes too curved. The thickness of the lens is increased. So as a result, light rays from the distant objects get focused in front of the retina instead of on the retina. How do we fix this? For fixing myopic eye vision, we use concave lenses. These lenses spread out light rays so they focus correctly on the retina. Okay. Next is hypermetropia, also known as farsightedness. In this case, a person can see distant objects clearly, but nearby objects appear blurry. Why does this happen? Because the eyeball is too short or the eye lens is too flat, increasing the focal length of the lens. So light rays from nearby objects get focused behind the retina. For a normal person, the near point is 25 cm. So this person can read comfortably by keeping the reading material at 25 cm. But when a person is affected by hypermetropia, he or she cannot read comfortably at 25 cm. This person has to keep the reading material beyond 25 cm, that is far from the near point. So how to correct this? In order to correct this, we use convex lens. Here a convex lens is used. Convex lenses are used which help bend the light rays inward so they focus properly on the retina. Next is presbyopia. It is an age-related vision defect. It usually happens as people get older, especially after the age of 40 or 45. In this condition, a person finds it difficult to focus on the nearby object and the image forms behind the retina. What is the cause? Cause is that the flexibility of eye lenses decreases with the age and ciliary muscles also become weak. We studied about ciliary muscles in previous video. This reduces the eye's ability to adjust focus according to near or far objects. So what is the solution here? People with presbyopia often use bifocal lenses. These have both concave and convex parts. Okay, so that's the quick summary of myopia, hypermetropia and presbyopia. Remember that the understanding the structure and function of the eye helps us understand how these defects happen and how science gives us solutions through lenses. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe at Board classes for more easy science lessons. See you in the next class.